Good morning, Mom. Good morning, sweetie.
Good morning, Emma.
I slept very well.
It is a beautiful day.
Hi! I am ready for today.
Please brush your teeth. Please brush your teeth.
Okay, Mom. Don't forget your face. I won't forget.
Breakfast is ready.
What are we eating? What are we eating?
Your favorite breakfast. Your favorite breakfast.
Thank you, Mom.
Eat slowly. That's better. Good girl. I'm proud of you.
It tastes delicious. Did you finish your homework? Yes, I did. Yes, I finished it.
Great job.
I worked hard.
I am proud of you.
Where is your school bag? I don't see it anywhere. Oh, wait, there it is.
It is right there. Do you have your books?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I do.
Mm-hmm.
What about your water bottle?
Oh, the water bottle.
It is in my bag.
Mm-hmm. Wonderful.
Can I play after school?
Yes, if you finish homework. Yes, if you finish homework.
I will finish it. That's my good girl. What are you doing today? I'm going to the shops. Would you like to come with me?
I am going shopping.
Can I come later?
Of course.
Yay! Yay!
It is time for school.
Yay!
Have a great day.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, Mom.
Have a wonderful day.
I love you, Mom.